because 2 is a, excuse me sir, 2 is a prime number, but 2 is an even number, but 2 is an even number. But here in this statement, he asks, all the prime number are odd? No, the first prime number is even and then all the prime numbers are odd. आगे बात समझ में? पहला ही नंबर प्राइम इवन होता है, उसके बाद ऑड आते हैं, लेकिन एक भी आ गया तो फिर वो स्टेटमेंट क्या होगा? गलत माना जाएगा. तो हमारा ये आंसर क्या होगा? फॉल्स. क्या होगा? फॉल्स. ओके, दैट इज आवर आंसर. समझ में आ गया? निखिल पांडे, समझ में आया? ओके. Now my next question, F is F part, prime numbers do not have any factor, any factor. Prime number do not have any factor? No, because prime number have two factors. Prime numbers, in this question, in this statement, we take any prime numbers. Let's suppose 3 is the prime number. Let 3 is a prime number. Example, I will take 3 and the factor of 3 is 1 and 3. But here in the statement, prime number do not have any factor. No, because 1 is the factor of prime number also. Okay? प्राइम नंबर में 2 फैक्टर होते हैं. यहां बोल रहा है कि कोई फैक्टर नहीं होता. ऐसा नहीं होता है, उसका एक फैक्टर तो होता ही है. 1 नंबर है ना, इसलिए इसके 2 फैक्टर हो गए हैं. तो इसलिए हमारा ये स्टेटमेंट क्या हो गया? रॉन्ग हो गया. ओके निखिल पांडे, इट इज क्लियर? माय स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. ओके, इट इज क्लियर? Now go to the G part. Can I erase it? G part. Sum of 2 prime number is always even. The sum of 2 prime number is always even. Now we take the examples. Let the first prime number, let's suppose take any prime number, 11. Let's suppose 11 is the first prime number and 13 is the second prime number. I will take 2 prime numbers. Sum of, now according to the statement, sum of, now we take the sum, 3 plus 1, 4 and 2, and it comes even. Now take another example. It is right or wrong? Here it is right. Now we take another example. My first prime number is 2. Okay? Now the second prime number is 3. Now look at here. I am taking two prime numbers, 2 and 3, and both the prime number we have sum. Sum, that means addition. And 2 plus 3, 5. 5 is odd or even? 5 is odd or even? Odd. तो देखिए बच्चों, यहां तो इवन आ गया था, सही था, लेकिन यहां देखिए ऑड आ गया है. तो मैथ्स में तो रूल है कि अगर एक भी को गलत हो जाए तो उस स्टेटमेंट को हम गलत ही मानते हैं. इसलिए ये हमारा स्टेटमेंट क्या होगा? गलत. दैट मीन्स फॉल्स. ओके, दिस स्टेटमेंट, आवर स्टेटमेंट भी फॉल्स. यहां तो राइट हो रहा था, लेकिन यहां गलत आ गया, इसलिए इस स्टेटमेंट को हम रॉन्ग करेंगे. इट इज क्लियर निखिल? ओके. Now, H part. Can I erase it? Erase? Okay. All the statement you have solved with the help of examples. Cannot give the answer directly. Question number H part. What is H? 2 is only a even prime number. 2 is only a even prime number. Even prime number? Yes, because even prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, dash, dash, dash. All are odds, but only the 2 is the number is even. This number is even, but remaining are odd numbers. And the statement say 2 is the only even number. Yes, दो ही एक ऐसा प्राइम नंबर है जो इवन होगा और बाकी सारे प्राइम नंबर ऑड्स होते हैं. Therefore this statement be true. This statement be true. ये हमारा ये बोल रहा है कि दो ही 2 is only a even prime number. Yes, and all remaining are odd. So our statement be true. Okay, and that is our answer. Any problem? Shreya, clear? Okay. Now, next. Write down. Please write down. Can I erase it? H, I part. All even numbers are composite number, and the definition of composite number says the factor of the number more than 2, and they are called composite number. But all even numbers, and 2 has only 2 factors, 1 and 2. देखिए बच्चे, पूछ रहा है कि सारे इवन नंबर कंपोजिट होते हैं, और कंपोजिट नंबर की डेफिनेशन करती है जिनके 2 से अधिक फैक्टर हो. 2 इवन नंबर है और इवन 2 के फैक्टर कितने हैं? केवल 2. तो डेफिनेशन के हिसाब से तो ये गलत हो गया. 2 से अधिक नहीं है, 2 ही है, इसलिए ये स्टेटमेंट कैसा हो गया? फॉल्स. इसके अलावा सभी इवन नंबर के मोर देन 2 फैक्टर होते हैं. जैसे 4 है, 4 के फैक्टर क्या है? 1, 2 एंड 4. तो मोर देन 2 हो गया, दिस इज अ कंपोजिट नंबर. लेकिन 2 इज इवन but not a composite number. Okay, it is a prime number. Our statement be false. आ गया समझ में? अनुज, अनुज, अनुज कुमार, Anuj, can you listen my voice? Raise your hand. Okay. Okay. Now, raise it. Now, and the last of this statement G, the product of two even numbers is always even. Now, first we take two even numbers. Tell me. First two and take the another even number 8 and product that means size multiply, and 2 8 are 16. 16 is even. Okay, and this statement always even. Now take another example. These are the examples. Now the first even number, let's suppose 10, and another even number 12, and 12 times are 120, and 20 in the last digit is 0. This is also an even number. Those number whose last digit is 0, they are also an even number. The definition of even number, the unit place number are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. They are even number, and it is also an even. That means the result, the conclusion is, if you take any two even number, each and every time the number comes as even. Therefore, this statement be true. Okay, and that is our answer. Okay, it is clear? Shreya, clear ho gaya? Shreya, raise your hand. Okay. Now go to the next question. Next question. You have solved the question number 2 with the help of examples. Now question number 3, the numbers 13 and 31. 13 and 31 numbers, both these have the same digit 1 and 3. Both have the digit 1 and 3. Find the such pair. Find the such pair. Find the such pair. Find the such pair of prime numbers. Prime numbers up to 100. That means in this question says, you write 13 is a prime number. It is a prime number. And we reverse the digits, change the places of the digit. We change the places of digit. The ones place go to the tens place digit. Ones digit place number go to the tens place, and tens place go to the ones place. And this number is also comes a prime. Now, you have write those number whose change the digit, they are prime also. And if we change the digit, the number also comes as a prime. Can you say? कोई ऐसे नंबर बता सकते हैं जिसके नंबर को बदलने पर प्राइम ही आ जाए? है कोई ऐसा नंबर? जल्दी से बताइए. Change the place. The first and both here is the both these number have the same both these number have same digit. Eh? 1 5. 1 5 is a prime number. No, it is a composite number. 1 5 is not a prime number. Now take 17. 17. My first prime number is 17. 17 is a prime number. Prime number. And we change. Ones place go to the 7th place, and ones go to the 10th place, go to the ones place, 71. And 71 is also a prime. It is also a prime number. Okay? Okay? So how many number you have up to the 100? Now, next. Now we write up to the 100 numbers. 24, 26, 27, 29, no, 30. 13, it is given. 13 is 31. Now 37, next number, 37. 37 is a prime number, and we change the places of the digit. It comes 73. 73 is also a prime number. Prime number. Okay? Now you find the others. You find the others. I will write two numbers. I will write two numbers. You have find one or two numbers in your homework copy. Up to the 100. Up to the 100. आपको 100 तक के ऐसे नंबर निकालने हैं जिसके डिजिट प्लेस को चेंज करने पर वो भी प्राइम आ जाए. ऐसे आपको नंबर लिखने हैं, जिसमें हमने दो नंबर लिख दिए हैं, और बाकी के एक आध दो जो हैं आप होमवर्क कॉपी में निकाल के लाएंगे. ओके? You help with the help of the Euthymus table is given in your book. आपके बुक में Euthymus table दे रखी है, इसको देखेंगे और उसमें से चेक करके निकाल लेंगे. ओके? इजीली यू हैव फाइंड. ओके? ओके निखिल, इट इज क्लियर? कोशिश करिएगा. अगर प्रॉब्लम होती है तो नाउ टुमारो वी सॉल्व इट. ओके? एंड दैट इज आवर आंसर. लेफ्ट आर यू हैव फाइंड. लेफ्ट आपको फाइंड करने हैं. ओके? नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Question number 4. This is the question number 3. And now goes to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, write down separately the prime and composite number less than.
Sir, please unmute yourself. Sir, please unmute yourself. Your voice is not coming properly. Sir, your voice is not coming properly. Sir, please unmute yourself. Sir, point number second B. Point number second B. Sir, your voice is not coming.
हमारी वॉइस क्लियर
Yes, sir.
आ रही है?
Yes, sir, आ रही है.
अच्छा, इस क्वेश्चन में कोई प्रॉब्लम?
No,
हमने
sir, इस क्वेश्चन में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Okay,
Sir, second point का B.
सेकंड का बी पार्ट.
B. Yes, sir.
बी फॉर बॉय.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो द सम ऑफ टू ऑड नंबर्स एंड वन इज इवन नंबर. द सम ऑफ दिस पार्ट.
Yes, sir.
Now we solve here. The sum of